Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Honeyberry, the 10 health benefits, side effects, and recipes. Honeyberries, also known by their Japanese name Haskap or Haskapu berries, are still relatively unknown to many places in the world. But not only are blue honeysuckle berries edible, they can also offer some interesting nutritional and health benefits. They have an elongated shape resembling a bell and a taste similar to blueberries. Benefits of honeyberry. Number 1. Honeyberry can tame inflammation. Inflammation is the underlying cause of chronic diseases, and these berries are known for their protection against chronic diseases. Firstly, Haskap is rich in polyphenols that have the ability to act as an excellent inflammation deterrent. It also contains anthocyanin that has anti-inflammatory properties and might help to prevent or fight against gingivitis and rheumatoid arthritis. Marjoram is also had anti-inflammatory properties. Honeyberry for eyes. This anthocyanin-rich food may also help in keeping the eyes healthy. Anthocyanin is proven to be beneficial for good eyesight. Thus, this helps to increase circulation within the retinal capillaries, enhancing the night vision. It also helps fight macular degeneration and prevents retinopathy in diabetic patients. Number 3. Honeyberry for cancer treatment. Oxidative DNA damage is said to occur thousands of times per day and in every single cell in the body. It is part of the reason we grow older and plays an important role in the development of cancer cells. Indeed, a study conducted proved that those who consumed Haskap on a daily basis reduced their free radical content in the body by 25%. Number 4. Honeyberry for cardiovascular benefits. This anthocyanin-rich fruit may also help in keeping the veins healthy by nullifying the enzymes that destroy connective tissue, by repairing the damaged proteins in the blood vessel walls. It helps in promoting healthy circulation of blood through your heart. Thus, the oxidation of LDL is a crucial step in the heart disease process. The antioxidants in Haskap berries are strongly linked to reducing the levels of oxidized LDL. Another study has shown that consuming 75 grams of Haskap berries with the main meal greatly reduces the oxidation of LDL lipoproteins. It also contains additional chlorogenic acid and phytochemicals that may provide a healthy cardiovascular benefit by controlling blood pressure. Number 5. Honeyberry is low in calories but high in nutrients. Furthermore, Haskaps are among the most nutrient-dense berries, where a single cup serving contains 4 grams of fiber, 24% vitamin C, 25% manganese, and 36% vitamin K. Also, it contains about 84% water, and an entire cup contains 85 calories with 15 grams of carbohydrates, making it an excellent source of several important nutrients. Number 6. Honeyberry is rich in antioxidants. Also, antioxidants protect our bodies from the damage of free radicals and unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, fast aging, and life-threatening diseases like cancer. They are believed to be one of the highest carriers of antioxidants. They have been responsible for the direct increase of antioxidants in our bodies. Number 7. Honeyberry to lower the blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the main reasons for several diseases, and apparently, Haskell berries appear to have significant benefits for people with high blood pressure. One study conducted with obese people noted a 6 to 7% reduction in blood pressure after consuming 50 grams of Haskell berries for 8 weeks. Number 8. Honeyberry can help improve the brain function. Oxidative stress results in the brain's aging process and can have a negative effect on brain function. The antioxidants present in Haskell berries tend to stimulate the areas of the brain that are important for intelligence. Hence, these antioxidants directly interact with the aging neurons, which leads to improvement in the cell functioning. Number 9. Honeyberry possesses anti-diabetic effect. Several studies have shown that honeyberries have anti-diabetic effects. The bioactive compounds in honeyberry cancel out any negative impact on the sugar that leads to maintaining the blood sugar level. The anthocyanins present in honeyberries have beneficial effects on insulin and glucose sensitivity. Consuming honeyberry smoothie can cause major improvements in insulin sensitivity and lowers the blood sugar level. Number 10. Honeyberry for urinary tract infections. Like blueberries, honeyberries contain substances that can help prevent the bacteria from binding on the wall of the urinary bladder. These infections are a very common problem in women, and honeyberries may be useful in preventing such types of infections. Adding honeyberries to your diet. Honeyberries can be consumed raw or made into jams or jellies or pies or used in other baking recipes. Honeyberries are available in the winter season and early summer. They can be consumed at any time of the day, but the best time is in the morning. Side effects. Honeyberries do not have any proven side effects if consumed in moderation. Recipe for honeyberry ice cream. Ingredients: 6 large egg yolks slightly beaten, 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 cups 2% milk, heavy whipping cream 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 1 cup honeyberries. Method: in a heavy saucepan, combine the first 4 ingredients, which are egg yolks, sugar, salt, and milk. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly, just until it is about to boil. Remove from heat, add cream, vanilla, and honeyberries. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Follow instructions that come with your ice cream maker. Lastly, serve and top with berries. Recipe for honeyberry coffee cake. Ingredients are 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, evaporated cane sugar will be the best, 2.5 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/3 cup melted butter, 1 large egg, 2/3 cup milk, 3/4 cup honeyberry jam. Topping: 1/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar or evaporated cane sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/4 cup sliced almonds sprinkled last. Directions are: heat oven to 400 Fahrenheit, spray 8 or 9-inch square baking pan with no stick cooking spray, lightly spoon flour into measuring cup, level off, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, salt and all spice in a medium bowl. Add butter, egg and milk. Mix vigorously until well blended. Pour half of the batter into prepared pan. Spread preserves evenly over batter. Top with remaining batter. Combine topping ingredients and mix until crumbly. Sprinkle over top of coffee cake. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.